In some areas, the European Union is remarkably harmonized, is a true union, whereas in other areas, the EU still has a flavor of 28 individual and very different countries. This is Thomas Teike with Cogent Consulting in Cologne, Germany. One example of harmonization is the centralized European-wide drug approval process, which has been in place since 1995. A single application to the European Medicines Agency may provide marketing authorization for a new drug across all European member states. However, even after European-wide marketing authorization, individual countries control access to their markets by very different mechanisms. They have introduced different policies to control prices and set drug reimbursement levels of new drugs that have a dramatic effect on time to market. In Germany, drugs are available immediately after approval and first sales occur after about 3 months. In the UK, there's a delay of about 4 months, although in reality, the payer organizations typically wait for the results of the health technology assessments before making the new drugs available. In France, first sales occur after 8, and in Spain and Italy after about 16 months, delayed by the pre-marketing authorization process to determine pricing and reimbursement. European launch planning needs to take into account how these variabilities affect timelines and sales forecasts in each market. Cogent Consulting has the experience and the forecasting tools that permit modeling the critical steps for each country individually to allow accurate forecasting across the European markets and beyond.
Step 1 is to build a basic market penetration curve. We focus on a few key points along the product's life cycle, such as product launch, potential inclusion in treatment guidelines, peak share, and loss of exclusivity or an entrant of a new competitor. After setting our basic penetration curves for various indications and/or products, we can make adjustments for each patient segment or country, reflecting the local differences that we encounter in market access speed, realizable peak share, or similar. Once we are satisfied with the inputs we provided and have recalculated the model, we can check the outputs to see where our revenue comes from, what is driving our success, and ultimately what strategies will make the most sense to pursue.
Understanding the European healthcare systems is key for any company planning to enter the European market. Cogent Consulting can help you better navigate the diverse European healthcare systems and to improve the validity of your assumptions for entering and competing in the European markets.